How many tasks did you reschedule this week? How many did you plan with great intention and then quietly push to tomorrow? Most productivity apps just store what to tell them. They are passive, they don't think, they don't adapt, and they never notice when you're falling behind. I built TaskExecutor to solve that. A personal AI concierge that actively manages your productivity, thinks alongside you, and takes action on your behalf. This is a full-stack concierge agent application powered by Google ADK 2.2, Gemini 2.5 Flash, FastAPI, and Next.js, built for the Kaggle Vibecoding Agents Capstone. Traditional productivity apps are just databases with reminders. What makes TaskExecutor different is that it runs a fleet of 4 specialized AI agents, each with a single clear responsibility. Why agents specifically? Because the tasks here aren't simple lookups. They require reasoning. Which of my tasks should be rescheduled and to when? How do I break a 3-week Kaggle competition into a structured daily plan? Am I actually productive or just busy? An AI agent can call tools, real Python functions, then hit a real database, loop over results, reason about them with Gemini, and return a meaningful answer. That's not something a simple API call can do. The architecture has 3 layers. First, the frontend Next.js 16 with Material UI, pages for your dashboard, task by category, analytics, and task editing, a floating AI chat drawer that's accessible from everywhere. The FastAPI backend, REST API with JWT authentication, async PostgreSQL via SQLAlchemy, and 6 agents endpoints. Third, the agent fleet built with Google ADK 2.0. The analytics coach reads your task data and generates coaching insights. The task planner converts a natural language goal into categories and structured tasks. The rescheduler autonomously detects overdue tasks and redistributes them. The orchestrator, the master agent, routes any chat message to the right sub-agent automatically. When I open the dashboard, I immediately get a personalized AI briefing generated by Gemini based on my real task stats for today, how many tasks I have scheduled, how many are overdue, and a motivational nudge. This is a non-blocking async call. The page loads instantly and the briefing populates when ready. Let's say I want to prepare for a machine learning competition. I type plan my Kaggle competition preparation over 3 weeks. I hit generate plan and watch the ADK agent loop execute in real time. Behind the scenes, the planner agent calls 3 tools. First, it checks my existing categories, then create a new one called Kaggle comp, then create task accordingly. There it is, a full structured plan, categories, and task, all created in the database from one sentence. Now the orchestrator. This is a single chat interface available on every page. I'll ask something general. How am I doing this week? It detects analytics intent, delegates to the analytics coach sub-agent, which queries my real database and returns a professional coaching report. There it is. Now I will ask something different. I am overwhelmed. Reschedule my overdue tasks. Different intent, different sub-agent. The rescheduler finds my overdue task, calculates balance new dates, writes task changelog entries, and returns a full summary of every change made. One chat window, 3 different agent behaviors, all automatic. It's currently thinking. It will review all the tasks. It has to also push the task into DB, so it takes some time. There it is, the response, the original date, the new date, the reason, everything populated right inside the database and updated on the UI as well. On the analytics page, completion rate, overdue task, overdue count, reschedule history. I can also export everything as a JSON file for portability, full data ownership. Here is the category-wise performance. Here we can ask something like analyze my current task execution statistic and give me coaching advice. Here it is. We have the current snapshot, the how to tackle the high rescheduling ratios. We have all the analytics, and according to that we have a full length summary we can use as an insight and work upon it. The entire project was built using anti-gravity IDE and AI native development environment. I described what I needed: agents tool, database pattern, async fixes, and the IDE helped me scaffold, debug, and iterate at speed. A quick word on security, because this is a concierge agent handling personal data. Every query is scoped to the authenticated user via JWT. No user can access another user's task. The Gemini API key is environment variable injected, never hard-coded. All personal data stays in your own Postgres instance. Nothing is shared externally. For deployment, the FastAPI backend is container ready. A Docker file and a Docker compose.yml can bring this up on any cloud instance. The Next.js frontend deploys to Vercel or any node host. The architecture is horizontally scalable. TaskExecutor is a personal AI concierge that thinks, plans, reschedules, and coaches. So you can spend less time managing your task list and more time executing it. Thank you.